Hello everybody, I'm Soumya and today we will be learning how to recolor a pattern in Adobe Illustrator. So now we will recolor our pattern. For that we'll go to the recolor panel which is available on the right hand side in Adobe Illustrator workspace. So I have already added my color swatches to a new color group so that it will be easy for me to color in that particular color group. You can also do that by selecting individual colors and then adding to a new color group in the colors window. You can find the colors window from going to the Windows panel in the top toolbar section. So here on the right hand side you can see this is my new color group or color palette. I'll select that and the colors will automatically change in my pattern. What I can also do now is I can play around with these colors in the Recolor Artwork tool. So once you're happy with the color combination, click OK to save that pattern with new color options in the swatches panel. So let's just start by toggling between the various options by clicking on this little icon, the three little icons which we are seeing here. Let's click on those and see what the options are there. So you will be having multiple variations of the same pattern in different colors. So don't forget to save the colors which you really like, because sometimes if you forget to save the colors that you love and you are toggling in between the other options, sometimes you get to forget the color combination that you were liking the most. So you create many versions of the same pattern and later on you can go ahead and delete what you don't like. So this is a very easy process and there are other methods also to recolor our artworks and patterns in a more efficient way. For that, I'll be creating a small tutorial dedicated only to the recolor artwork tool in Adobe Illustrator. Now let's just toggle between all the colors to see what is looking good on the design. So I'm pretty happy with this color combination. So I'll go ahead and click OK to save this color variation of my pattern. The window which will appear now, you can select no in that because it is asking if you want to change the color group that you have created, but we don't want that. So click no and save your color option for the pattern. So here we are, we have recolored successfully our pattern. Let's meet in the next video with something really exciting. Thanks for watching my class and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive such tutorials in future, and you can also follow along on Instagram. Till then, take care, bye bye.